2026 has arrived, and you're still living the same life. But listen, you can still change the whole trajectory of your life in this year. Because there's almost no competition anymore. Everyone is distracted by reels, distracted by female models, and the loop keeps going. And that's the truth most people don't want to hear. It's actually very simple to get ahead of 99% of people. Hear me again, it's simple, but not easy. If you want to focus on your goals, you must first destroy your distractions. And right now, the biggest distraction in your life is social media. That's why we created the 7-day Dopamine Detox Blueprint, a simple, practical system to break your scrolling addiction. It has everyday guide from day one, practical steps to follow, and just in 7 days, this guide will help you to reset your mind. You will be amazed how much time you will have left once the social media addiction is gone, so you can stop wasting days and start grinding with clarity. Remember, one focused year can literally change your whole bloodline. And use this code to get discount. Hurry now, because the seats are very limited.